Bonjour mes amis. For today you will have to read lecture de vitesse. Qu'est-ce que ça veut dire? What does it mean lecture de vitesse? That means you're gonna read fast. You have to pick up a little bit on fluency. So what I have here, they are only syllables, so it shouldn't be too difficult to read. In order for us to read, we have to know the sounds of the vowels. But we all know that, right? Just to remember, I'm gonna tell you very quick. The vowels are what? A, Ö, I, O, U. Repeat the vowels. A, Ö, I, O, U. Excellent. Now that we know the vowels, you will just have to blend one consonant with a vowel. Let's see. The consonant is gonna be the sound E. Blend together. Me. A. Blend. Ma. O. Blend. Mo. U. Mu. E. Me. Now we're gonna do the same thing, but the sound, the beginning sound is gonna be what? S, S, I, Si, Sa, So, Si, Se. Same thing, we're just changing the beginning sound. The sound is same as in French, same as in English. F. Now let's read. Fi, Fa, Fo, Fu, Fe. Change the sound in O, Li, La, Lo, Lu, Le. Make sure when you read here, don't say le, but say le. Let's continue. Ra, Ro, Ru, Re, Ri. Same thing, but we change the sound in Z. Za, Zo, Zu, Ze, Zi. You're gonna continue reading everything until the end. Okay? Remember, we have the consonant M, the sound E. Consonant F, the sound E. Consonant S, and the consonant O. Right? Go ahead and read everything from the beginning to the end. Try at least 2 or 3 times. Look at the clock. Make sure, you increase your fluency and you increase your time. By that I mean you should be reading the faster in less time, okay? But don't rush. Don't rush if you do not know a sound or a syllable. Take your time until you will gonna say it correctly. Okay? Bonne chance!